In my last video, I introduced the idea of a formula that we could use to calculate the lift potential, or just L for short, of a particular equipment setup. Since then, I've been researching the formula and developing a web app to make it easy for us to use. I've got a formula that I think will work well. I'm calling the web app the Lift Potential Bulletin Board, or Lift BB for short. You can use it to share information about your equipment setup and foiling sessions in the wider community. This will help everyone find good launch sites, set up the right equipment, and make new friends. Now I'm looking for a community-minded group of folks to be the beta testers of this new system. The link to the sign up is in the description below, and you see it on your screen here. The goals for the formula: 1. Get a better idea for what to rig based on what your friends are using for equipment, even if their weight is much different from yours. 2. A single number accounts for your foil size, wing size, and weight. 3. A large number represents more power to get up on the foil, just like wing sizes people use to compare normally. 4. Ideally, the range of numbers is similar to the wing sizes that we've been using for our conversations in the past, even though they represent a bigger lift potential picture. 5. Easy to calculate. It's probably not going to be used really well if it's too complicated, but now we have the wing DB to help. The formula is L equals W divided by R times 500 F divided by R. Basically, it's a ratio between the wing and your weight plus the ratio between your foil and your weight, with a constant of 500 in there. You see the formula on your screen, much easier too. This formula meets all 5 of my goals. The range of L values for a complete quiver of equipment is from the low 300s to the low 700s. So if you say L55 instead of L55, then the vocabulary is similar to what we're used to for wings. That takes care of goal number 4. I've shared a lot more nitty-gritty about the formula, including how I settled on the constant value of 500 in the blog post that I'll link in the description as well. The goals and functions needed to reach them for the Lift Bulletin Board, or Lift BB for short. Create an inventory of all your equipment, which allows you to display in a single table view the L values for each of your wing and foil combinations, which allows you to use your setup L number instead of just wing size to discuss optimal equipment setups. Post a session just before you launch to share your location, L number, and equipment details with the community in real time, which allows display the recent today's sessions that are in your area, including start time, their wing colors, L values, and the member's public name or handle. When you are done, or later that evening, you can update your session with better wind estimates, and ideally, you can even upload a GPX file to nail down the location, average speed, distance traveled, and so on. Finally, you can know what the wind was for your session, because it's got integration into a historical wind database. You can also gain a better understanding of the range of L values needed for various wind conditions. The range will be due to rider skill variations, but those are also in the database for you to see. The beta version of the Lift BB provides the functions outlined above. There is room for user interface improvement, of course. It is a beta version, but I'm hoping there are enough community-minded riders out there who are willing to share their information with others so they can make informed choices about where to wing today and what equipment is likely to work well for them. So please use the link down below to sign up to be beta testers today.